You guys, I am so blessed. So, like I stated before, my husband put me on a diet, and this is the only thing I get to eat today. This is dinner. And a lot of you women will try to say it's out of line, but no, it's not. I have someone who actually cares about my health. I mean, your man might take you out to McDonald's or KFC, and my husband is making sure that I'm eating healthy. This was grilled, of course. And I'm just so happy and blessed to have someone that cares about what I put in my body. Yay! So I'm so excited. Bye guys. Yeah.